Welcome to Smart Star Tech. This video introduces about C language. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie, 1941 to 2011. C was developed in at&T Bell Laboratory in 1972. C is a portable language, that is, code written in one machine can be run in other machine. C is a general-purpose programming language. C is machine-independent and structured language. It was to develop the Unix operating system and now is most widely used programming language, and C sometimes called system programming language because it is useful for writing system programs like device driver, compiler, linker, assembler. C is also procedure language and robust language. It has built-in functions and operators. C is a low programming level language close to machine language. It is a procedure and structure-oriented language.